I was working with two different teams, and whilst they had the same purpose, which was get this construction project up and going, they had very different ideas around what success looked like. And that led to the point where a lot of conflict evolved around things that added no value, but they had been stuck. And I think that the breakthrough that we had with that is that self-awareness piece. The minute people started to understand that the reason why everybody was stressed is because they weren't going forward together, I think they understood that the enemy was out there, not internal to them. And that the language of strengths really is what is my need? What is your need? How do we work that or complement that together? And that's been for this team, the huge breakthrough, which is an actual fact. We're both stressed. But let's not stress each other more. How do we find a way that complements? So that strength needs piece is where I think the light bulb moment shone.